Welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a poll on YouTube. It's very easy. Just be with me. Open a browser and go to YouTube. Write down youtube.com. It will take you to the official page of homepage of YouTube. Then you in the camera here you can see a camera option with plus sign here. Click on that and go to create post. Okay. Now it will take you to your channel, and here you can add image, create a image poll or create a text poll, or quiz, or you can add a some you can write a post for existing video. Like I want to create export experiment. How are you guys? how are you how are you guys? How are you guys? How are you guys? You can write right now, fine, not well, not well, and you can easily post it in your YouTube. So most of the polls are now created for YouTubers to engage with their audience, and I don't want to like post any poll right now, so I'm just showing you guys how you can create a post and upload in your YouTube. So this is so much easy. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of YouTube videos you like from us. Thank you.